Hum-dee-dum-dee-dum. So, I'm started out. First, I need iron. Oh, no, I already have enough. I need... Now, don't have a map yet. So I just gotta get a good vantage point. Organization. I've actually stolen this biome before. Where should I start? Ooh, this lady looks nice. Right here. Perfect. Does this means I can only come in from one side, but still. Womp. Womp. The map. This is what I need to go for. Hello, Mr. Fiction. Oh, you're sky free. Where's iron? $400. Come on, guys, no photos. We're going the wrong way. We're going on a trip. Doing a favor, which is live. I know how some people like try to mainly just mention subscribing. That way they remind you. And I understand why they do that. So people who actually want to subscribe don't forget. Then again, to me it just feels kind of tedious. It's kind of messed up. Like, it kind of just feels like you're begging. They're begging you. They do not give an actual poo. They're begging you for some subs. Cause all they care is about your butt.
Samples of unknown alien species acquired. It is unclear where on the flora or fauna spectrum it lies, but initial data suggests this might be a nest or an egg. Preserve the remains for later study.
You break so I can place you. Get a smelter. Two constructors that I can just... If I have a splitter, which I do not. For now, I'm just gonna have it go toward this one. Whenever I do unlock a splitter, I can put it on that side. I really just need iron plates right now. For this one. So... So requires 13 megawatts, which I can easily do with one. If I only have the zip line right now, that'd be so much easier. Oh, no, that's food. put that in my second slot.
Potential edible collected. Eating it and surviving does not count as a valid field test and does not generate enough data for Fixit to make an informed decision. Store this potential resource for later use.
I'm not gonna store it, I'm gonna store. Well, I will store it, but in my belly. You fuck data. I don't give a shit. Actually, I will give a shit when I die of dehydration. And it will be all your fault. That is if it walked like that. Which it doesn't. Wish it did. They could be like, oh my god, I am so sorry. I totally did not mean to get you killed. Oh no. You can't go under it, you can't go over it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Oh, yes, I'm generating no more money. No more fucking god. I am at the rush. Production never made. I don't know what to do to get paid. What do I say? What do I do for the chapel's pay? Oh, till the weatherman comes to see you. Do you drink alone? I honestly do not remember the lyrics to it, so I just sing randomly. Try to randomly match. Try to hopefully accidentally match lyrics. I don't think you'll ever walk. But you never know. Oh, till the weatherman come to see our tea and drink a rum. Oh, till the weatherman come to see and drink our rum. Once was a ship that put to sea. Name of the ship was the Billy of Tea. The wind blew hard and pulled our sails, but we never gave up. No, no. Oh, till the weatherman come to see our tea and drink our rum. Oh, till the weatherman come to see and to see the name of the ship. The name and blew our sails and we never gave no sea. Till the weatherman come to see our tea and drink our rum. Oh, till the weatherman come to see our tea. Once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The wind blew hard and pulled the sails, never gave up. Oh, till the weathermen come to see the tea and drink their rum. Oh, till the weathermen come. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have ADHD, so that's one mind to look forward to. Yay, ADHD. Ain't no way. Oh. Honestly, that's just my fault. Wait. Oh my god! Does this mean I have 2 pure notes to work with? Yo, 240. There's more than the 8 impure notes I dealt with last time. So this single one power four could split into 4 smelters. And if I have stuff wild. There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was a buoy of tea. The wind blew hard and pulled out sails, but they never gave up the day. Oh, till the weathermen come to see their tea and drink their rum. Oh, till the weathermen come to see their tea and drink their. I need to make some more of these little things. Yeah, it's almost perfect. I can still the pitch back and worry about it overflowing. Don't want to use the scoop. Don't want to waste the things. I don't know why this doesn't work. Has a little electric point. Essentially, that fully closed. It'd literally just be a normal zipline. A weaker zipline, but a normal. I'm just hoping to get a good start into being a YouTuber. I think I've done pretty good on that, but done pretty good. I'm soon gonna get some lunch because I'm pretty hungry. Whenever I say hungry, I kind of sound like a furry, but I don't want to be a furry. I'm talking about my life. I should just play the game if you enjoy it. I know you guys definitely don't want your full-on life documentary. Why would you? Just wouldn't make much sense. Oh yes, I would love to listen to your full life. Oh my god, it was so very much appreciated. I know you guys don't like that. Bring it. Wires. Now soon enough, I should have enough for the field research upgrade. And plus I can assist as well. I don't want to just stay in here and let it all happen by itself. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Yeah. Wait, how much batteries? All 20. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go check my biomass funnels. I want to make sure they don't run out. Oh yeah, I could just make some. That would probably be a smart idea to set up some of these normal biomass funnels that produce more, but take more. Because I don't have any pear berries. Yo, bud, you want some nuts? No nuts? Okay. What is he doing all the way out here? There's no pear berries. There's no pear berries around here, bud. You can't be. You shouldn't be here. Oh, man. Oh, guys shouldn't be there. shouldn't be here. I need to stop seeing these songs, man. You know, it's a good way of keeping me distracted. This boring cycle of ding, 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 make, ding, grab, make. I need 3 more. And I should be able to make biomass bomb now. Wait. I need 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I can make a biomass panel and a storage container. Pretty good morning. Got a day off from school. For like teacher academy or something. Well, I can spend time doing what I enjoy. Playing games. I have a reason to play games. For people's enjoyment. Satisfaction. Satisfactory faction. Real satisfaction. Real satisfactory. Yep, for your satisfactory. I'm gonna need more than just 100. This should be perfect, a perfect amount. And you would be able to adjust this whenever you get the power slug, the power amplification. Hey, you said it was aligned. You lied to me. That looks delicious. I'm just kidding. No, it doesn't. Usually I'd bind 6.666 for those. Might as well put in this. Nice. I could grab the wire that's been made. I should probably have 100 by now. I'm gonna have to trim a lot of this. I'm gonna have to cut out a lot of parts to make this shorter and for your better for your entertainment. It should be easy with the trim tool and the YouTube thing. I can also use like a media editor. Oh my god, I hate these uploads ramps. Whenever they're not as aggressive, you can slide up them like that. But whenever they're not, whenever they're too aggressive, it just feels too slow. Like, see? It just completely stopped my flow. Whoa, bro. Whoa, bro. That's too slow, bro. I'll be right back. I'm back. This is not what I'm gonna pull it. Can you meow for the camera, Neptune? Neptune, can you please meow for the microphone? Can you meow? Please? Meow, please. Meow. I need you to meow so that the microphone can heal. And he's up on the window. Okay. Cats are confusing, but not confusing to the point where you have no clue what they're gonna do. Only slightly confusing. Then you have a couple nodes. There's one over there. Oh, there's a batch over there. And you can see that one. That one's 500. They're probably right next to that giant rock. Oh my god, really? Exactly one way. Neom. 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 What? Ah. Neom. Neom. Yes? No, there's SpaghettiOs I'm hiding that I'm gonna eat.
This mineral is composed of the same chemical elements
Yeah,
as
I like sitting up
quartz
there.
and may yield similar industrial functions. Store this potential resource for later use.
She said you're awake. Then he's gonna attack you. Am I right, Neptune? Are you gonna tackle? I'm so happy. Yippee. Nope. Come on. Oh. There you go. That's kind of annoying. Like pure hatred in there. Just annoying. Oh my god.
Milestone reached. Supply the molecular analysis machine,
What?
referred to as the MAM, with local resources to research and
I did
develop
not
new
go down the
technologies.
wrong line.
Potential technologies include exploration tools,
Does everybody know
weapons,
this
and
is-
factory buildings. These are essential for maximizing your Pioneer efficiency and
looks
alignment
like that
with
one
Fixit's
beast
core
logo.
pillars: construct, automate, explore, and exploit. To advance Fixit's
Beast.
mission, all notable phenomena, resources, technology, or other influence should be investigated regardless of any perceived danger, as stated in the Pioneer contract.
Let's see, where is it on the map? Yeah, I was mostly right. Normal. La 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 la. Yeah, couple's about this color, right? Couple. Now I know where the copper is. Oh wait, I gotta. So I'll show you Piers on the map. Now I know where the copper is, and I can just follow the little cursor. Something I do that I hope some other people do, because I don't want to be left out. Now, this is what I need. I need logistics. And base. I need both of these. These are both main essentials. Wait, can I make glue? Yes, I can. I just need concrete. And other essentials. This is the only thing right here that requires iron rods, so I don't understand why I need 100. But oh yeah, I can't put stuff in. I'm checking my iron sheets, and if I've made enough, I'll switch over to iron rods. Then I'll get a mine on limestone. Ah! Why did I scream? Okay, got a decent amount. Just gonna switch the recipe over to iron rods. Ta-da! Oh, I was giving treats to the cat. But I'm not gonna talk about my mom. That'd just be weird. I like to thank today's sponsor, right? I'd like to thank today's sponsor, right? Vape and shit. Wait a minute, this is not good friendly. As far as you know. What am I doing in my life? A lot of stuff. All the random stuff. But mainly just a lot of stuff. So much iron here. I'm glad I chose this spot. Like, look at this. 2 pure nodes and another 2 pure nodes. Perfect for an iron for an iron factory. Whoa. Normal. Ooh, this is the perfect spot for a coal factory. Perfect name. That name is perfect. been living off biomass. Give me these vials. I need them. Ow. That hurts so much. It's not like I have a giant soul. Why is this not? Essentially just says on the slot by putting in my hand slot. Whenever I crouch in midair, it feels like I'm just slowing down my upwards momentum. Does it ever feel like that to you guys? Like whenever you're just playing Satisfactory, does it ever just feel like whenever you crouch? When you crouch midair, it just feels like you just stop right now. So I jump all the way up down. So I jump up to there. Jump up to heel whenever I crouch right after I full jump. This is where I get to whenever I normal full jump. So yes, you do jump low. Glad I figured that out. I'm glad I actually experimented. Got this Caterium. Gonna need to make some. I've been watching a lot of stuff about fighting in a while. Should maybe just plague my brain with random stuff, but oh well. My brain. No, I need cables. Okay, now I know. Now I see why. Hopefully there's some Caterium nearby. Looks like I just hit the mic. The tiny little mic stand.
The metal has been named Caterium after Fixit's greatest CEO Katerina Parks. It has been added as a viable alternative to gold in industrial applications, specifically in advanced electronics due to its superconductivity, malleability, and corrosion resistance.
Resistance? So it's not just corrosion proof?
The remains researched belong to an organism that tends to nest near objects emitting specific types of resonance. Spitters are called as such due to their ability to create and spit
Okay. Please tell me this is Caterium. Okay. Caterium. 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 Just Caterium right there. Somebody has this one. I mean, rock. Yeah, that's such a big stamp. It's even bigger than stuff. Oh yeah, no, it's a cool power plant. Not cool power production. Yay! So, I was just looking at my phone yesterday on my way out of school, and I just saw a news notification that said Players built up speed by adding more ropes. By adding more ropes to their ropes. By adding more cables to the cables. Which cabled the cables? Yeah, that's what it said. That is literally what it said. Just still a tad bit weird, but no, I'm not complaining. They do. They do what they want to do. They are human. I'm a poon. So I get this free generator, this free gas engine, but I can't use it. Did you use these big hunks of junk? I just get free lighting in here. That's literally just free power, and I can't even use it. Satisfactory doesn't do that, but you like put the image of your hand with whatever you're holding in front of you. That way it doesn't collide. Yeah, I see my hand clipping in my leg. My thumb. God, I hear it. I hear the devastating meows of the demons. The demons. They're all about me. No food, defense, or anything. This is a strong limestone brick. Oh my god, 60? 60? I can't believe it. That's the lowest I can get it. Now all this needs is just one constructile. That's too close. Perfect. I know what you need. You need a life. 40. Yay. Now I could make this into this and start just trailing it back. Leave a push node. I've done it. 39. And plenty more to go. Man, that stretch a bit just made me dizzy. That was easy.
This semi-slug species seems to persist entirely through absorbing and storing energy from its surroundings. Studying this could provide new methods for improving fixed production line efficiency. Research it in the MAG to establish classification and potential application.
I'm too used to them. Then again, I've never gone past the parachute back slot. Now we can have a pack. Pretty sure it was like tier 8 or something. Pretty sure it was like tier 6. Okay, I'm done trying. I'm just gonna explore a bit more and then stop. Die bomb! That was nothing that could help me. There you go. Another free one. Is it useful? I need to get a almost stupid double this. Ow. Give me that. No. If you excuse me, I'm gonna go back. Wait, where's the things? Oh, it's literally over here. The giant scab in my nose is so irritating. Why is it so slow? I get more than 45, but I only get 15. Oh my god. I'm just gonna start handcrafting at this point. How much does it make? 124 minutes. Of course. So now I gotta start making some money. You gotta make that dough. In this case, solid dough. Almost halfway there. That too? Something just flew past me. 115. I need alternate recipes. Let's see, have we made enough? Not even close. Perfect. I'm gonna go back to handcrafting. It is literally making more than it's getting rid of. Make it stop buffering itself out. This is way quicker. Oh, she's probably got the same speed. No, it's not. No, it's not. Not even close. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more. What is love? What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Let's finish. Let's finish. Demonic spider cat down there. Or somewhere. I just know that's nearby. I don't like the noise. I don't like the meowing noise, even though it's much better. And a demonic spider chasing me. What is love? I don't know. What is
Milestone reached. Several new structures are now available for improving factory organization. Foundations provide a building grid, which makes it easier to manage placement of any structure. In the event that you are experiencing amnesia for all events prior to planetfall, be reassured that memories of beloved humans and/or animals would have only been distractions from your important mission.
I really just no. It'd make me feel more encouraged to do it. Because seeing how this entire thing is for the purpose of saving the world. All those people and animals to help motivate me. Also so they don't die. But still though. It's been 10 years. Just look each other to the end of time. That's the question mark. She was not, she was looking for fun. What? Okay. I will be right back. Okay. I'm glad I'm able to cut out parts of the clip. How long have I actually been recording for? To see you shine in this gold. Dong. Boom, tier 1 done.
Milestone reached.
Let's go.
Conveyor belts can now merge, split, and lift to save space and enhance the productivity of your factory.
I think this is
Fixit
going to end it off.
encourages you to consider investing in verticality when it comes to factory logistics. If you feel stressed by this complexity, imagine yourself on the shore of a vast and calm ocean. Breathe in, visualize all the people relying on you. The sea is made of billions of faces, each staring